Straw World. Today, I want to show you our Smiggle Review pencil case. I'm going to show you my pencil case. And this is what I've got. So I'll show you. Where is it? What's in my pencil case?
Wow, there's lots of stuff in your pencil case.
So
Is this a new pencil case?
Yes.
We found this one in Smiggle on Saturday, and it's got a little rabbit on the front.
This is what I've got in Smiggle. This is a unicorn 5 pencil, and it's so cute.
Wow. Show me the front. Show me the unicorn. Oh, that's really cute. What else is in your pencil case?
What else is in it? My new highlighter. Yeah, and it was from Smiggle.
Oh, cool. What does it smell?
Yeah, that smells. That's scented.
What's it smell like?
Strawberry.
Oh, nice.
My favourite.
Nice. So that's in your pencil case. What else is in your pencil case?
Well, I've got some Smiggle glue. Very, very handy to use.
What else is in your pencil case?
This is another Smiggle Rainbow highlighter.
Oh, wow.
And it's connected together.
I like it.
So it's a unicorn squishy. Yeah, and it's so cute. And I really like it. And it's so cute.
Are these scented pencils?
The scented pencils.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's a strawberry one, banana, blueberry. What's your favourite one? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
What's that one smell like? Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Favourite? Is it your favourite one?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you get 12 scented pencils in the pack. They don't come with this pencil case, but we've put them in this new pencil case. We'll turn it around this way. What it looks like from the front. There we go.
So I Smiggle Dolphin Eraser. Very cute. And it's so purple and blue.
And what else have you got in your pencil case? There's a ruler.
A Smiggle rule.
Cool.
Got a strawberry happy face cupcake ninja, a play phone, and a hamburger.
Oh, cool. Oh, it's a bendy ruler.
The bendy ruler.
And what else have you got there? You've got lots of things here.
Yep. So this is a Smiggle Rainbow Notepad. So I'm going to write notes and things.
Cool.
So I like it. So this is a Smiggle mystery pen.
Oh, wow.
And I'll show you how it does.
It's the mystery pen in action. Oh, cool. Smiggle. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like it. It's like a secret note.
That's a Smiggle chocolate pen. And it's...
Does it smell like chocolate?
No, I don't think so.
Ah.
But it's got a chocolate milk and it's got Smiggle and the chocolate biscuit. So cute. I like it. This is a huge Smiggle, a coloured pen
it different colours?
I guess different colours. Also, there's something else I've got.
Okay.
This is what is in my pencil case this week. And don't forget to
Subscribe.
how do you say that? Subscribe.
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 Yeah.
See you next time. Bye.